Most people believe wealth comes from luck, timing, or earning more money. But in reality, wealth is built through habits. The small, consistent actions that separate the financially free from the financially trapped. Stick around as we go over 5 wealth-building habits that every beginner must master, starting with one that 80% of millionaires swear by. Before paying bills, buying groceries, or spending a cent, pay yourself first. This means setting aside a portion of your income the moment it hits your account and treating that money as untouchable savings or investment capital. This principle isn't new. It's one of the oldest financial truths. In fact, it's the cornerstone of the book The Richest Man in Babylon, where the author calls it the first cure for a lean purse. Modern millionaires do this automatically. According to a CNBC Millionaire survey, most self-made millionaires consistently invest a portion of their income before spending anything else. By paying yourself first, you flip your mindset from spending what's left after saving to saving what's left after spending. And that small shift changes everything. But saving is only the start. The next habit focuses on what you do with that money to make it grow faster than you ever could by saving alone. Building wealth isn't about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Take Warren Buffett, for example. He made the majority of his fortune after age 50, not because of luck, but because of compound growth working over decades. Consistent investing, whether in index funds, ETFs, or other diversified assets, allows your money to grow automatically through compound interest. A study by Fidelity Investments found that the best performing accounts often belonged to investors who forgot they even had one. Why? Because they weren't trying to outsmart the market. They just stayed consistent. It's not about being perfect. It's about being disciplined. And that discipline is easier to maintain when your spending habits are under control. Which brings us to habit number 3. You can't out-earn bad spending habits. It doesn't matter if you make $40,000 or $400,000. If you spend it all, you'll never build wealth. The goal isn't to live cheaply. It's to live intentionally. Spend on what truly adds value to your life and cut out the rest. Many high-income earners stay broke because they chase lifestyle inflation, upgrading cars, clothes, and homes to match every pay rise. Meanwhile, people who master financial restraint quietly build real freedom. Warren Buffett, one of the richest men alive, still lives in the same modest house he bought in 1958. That's not about frugality. That's about focus. Once your lifestyle is under control, there's another habit that accelerates wealth far beyond what cutting costs can do. Wealthy people rarely rely on a single paycheck. In fact, a Rich Habits study by Tom Corley found that 65% of self-made millionaires had at least 3 income streams. That might include investments, side hustles, real estate, or digital income sources like YouTube, online courses, or dividend stocks. The key isn't to chase every opportunity. It's to build scalable income streams that grow with time, not effort. For example, investing in index funds creates passive income through dividends, while creating a digital product or business can generate money even while you sleep. Each additional income stream acts as a safety net, protecting you from job loss, economic downturns, or unexpected expenses. But even with multiple income streams, most people still fail to hold on to their wealth long term because they miss this final, crucial habit. The financial world changes constantly, and the people who keep learning are the ones who stay wealthy. Every successful investor, from Ray Dalio to Charlie Munger, emphasizes lifelong learning. Munger once said, "Those who keep learning will keep rising in life." Whether it's reading books, following finance channels, or studying how markets and money work, continuous education keeps you ahead of the curve and helps you avoid costly mistakes. Remember, you can't manage what you don't understand. So treat financial knowledge like a long-term investment. because it pays the highest dividends of all. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's built through consistent habits repeated over time. If you follow even one of these beginner's habits, you will give your financial journey a massive boost. But following these habits alone won't guarantee you achieve your financial goals. There are plenty of daily traps that can steal your money from you. Check out this video to make sure you avoid these traps, even the ones that look like they will help you.